Full-length audiobook summary. Master Your Emotions by Thibaut Meurisse. Have you ever felt like your emotions are controlling you instead of the other way around? One moment you're happy, the next you're overwhelmed by negativity. But what if I told you that mastering your emotions is a skill, one that you can develop just like any other? Welcome to today's audiobook summary of Master Your Emotions by Thibaut Meurisse, a powerful guide to understanding and managing your feelings, breaking free from negativity, and living a more emotionally balanced life. If you've ever struggled with overthinking, stress, or feeling stuck in a cycle of negative emotions, this book is for you. Stay with me as we break down the key lessons that will help you take control of your emotions and turn them into your greatest strength. Introduction. Why do we struggle with our emotions? Your emotions don't control you. You control them. Most of us react to our emotions instead of understanding them. We let bad moods dictate our day, negative thoughts spiral out of control, and stress consume us. But according to Thibaut Meurisse, this doesn't have to be our reality. What this book is about: understanding where emotions come from and why they impact us so deeply, breaking the cycle of negativity and rewiring our minds for positive emotions, practical techniques to regulate our thoughts and emotions in everyday life. Key takeaway: emotions are not random. They follow patterns. Once you understand them, you can break free from emotional suffering and take control of your happiness. Key idea number 1. Your thoughts create your emotions. Ever noticed how a single thought can change your mood instantly? Imagine waking up feeling great, but then suddenly remembering something stressful. Instantly, your mood shifts. This is because your emotions don't happen randomly. They are triggered by your thoughts. How this works: every emotion you feel responds to a thought, whether conscious or subconscious. Negative thoughts create negative emotions, and positive thoughts generate positive emotions. The key to mastering your emotions is to become aware of your thoughts and learn to shift them intentionally. How to apply this? 1. Start paying attention to your thoughts. What are you telling yourself throughout the day? 2. Replace negative thoughts with positive or neutral ones. Instead of "I'll never succeed," say "I am learning and improving every day." 3. Practice gratitude. Focusing on what's good trains your mind to generate positive emotions. Key lesson: your emotions are just your thoughts in disguise. Control your thoughts, and you control your emotions. Key idea number 2. The power of your ego over your emotions. Most of our emotional pain comes from the stories we tell ourselves about who we are. Your ego is the mental image you have of yourself. It's your identity, the story you tell yourself about who you are, what you deserve, and how others see you. The problem with the ego: the ego is fragile. It constantly seeks validation and fears rejection. When things don't go our way, we feel angry, embarrassed, or unworthy because our ego is attacked. The more attached we are to our ego, the more emotional pain we experience. How to apply this? 1. Let go of the need to always be right. Not everything is a personal attack. 2. Don't take things personally. What others say or do is a reflection of them, not you. 3. Practice self-awareness. Observe your reactions and ask yourself, is this my ego talking? Key lesson: detach from your ego, and you'll find freedom from emotional suffering. Key idea number 3. Breaking free from negative emotions. You don't have to be a prisoner to your emotions. You can break free. Negative emotions don't come from nowhere. They are patterns we've developed over time. The good news? You can break these patterns and rewire your brain for positivity. Techniques to overcome negativity. 1. Cognitive reframing. Change your perspective. Instead of seeing failure as an endpoint, see it as feedback. 2. Journaling. Writing down your emotions helps you detach from them and see them objectively. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Staying present reduces anxiety and prevents overthinking. 4. Movement and exercise. Physical activity releases endorphins, instantly boosting mood. How to apply this? 1. When a negative emotion arises, pause and ask yourself, what thought triggered this feeling? 2. Choose a different response. Instead of reacting emotionally, respond with logic. 3. Develop daily habits like journaling or mindfulness to balance your emotions. Key lesson: emotions are habits. The more you practice positivity, the easier it becomes. Key idea number 4. Using negative emotions for growth. Negative emotions aren't your enemy. They are a message. We often try to avoid negative emotions, but what if we use them as tools for growth instead? Reframing negative emotions. Anger shows what truly matters to you. Fear indicates where you need to grow. Sadness signals a need for healing or self-care. How to apply this? 1. Instead of suppressing emotions, ask, what is this emotion trying to teach me? 2. Use negative emotions to motivate change rather than dwelling on them. Key lesson: negative emotions are not the problem. Your response to them is. Final thoughts. How to truly master your emotions. To master your emotions, you must 1. Understand that your thoughts create emotions. Choose them wisely. 2. Detach from your ego and stop taking things personally. 3. Use practical techniques to shift out of negativity. 4. See negative emotions as feedback, not as obstacles. Final takeaway: you don't have to be controlled by your emotions. With the right mindset and tools, you can transform your emotional world and live with clarity, peace, and confidence. If you're ready to break free from negativity and master your emotions, then Master Your Emotions by Thibaut Meurisse is a must-read. Get the full book using the link below. Subscribe for more book summaries on emotional intelligence, mindset, and success. What's one emotional habit you want to change today? Let me know in the comment below.